Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in, and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Before I get started today, I wanted to take a brief moment to remember and honor my dear friend Erika Trim, who passed away unexpectedly a few days ago. I am deeply saddened by this because it was so unexpected. I know I seem like very well composed right now, but I've been pretty sad. My heart goes out to her family. If you knew Erika, she somehow transformed your life positively. It was like a blessing to have her in your life. I almost didn't even put a video out this week, but I decided to stay encouraged and motivated as she would encourage me to do if she were here, and I decided to do something that makes me happy. So now, let me breathe and recenter myself.
A few moments later.
Today, I'm going to show you guys how I make my take on Korean ramdun with steak. The traditional name for it is called Chapagori, I think. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that the right way. And basically, it's a mix of Chinese ramen and Japanese udon, and you mix it together in a Korean spicy seafood broth. I was actually inspired by Chef Erik Bruner-Yang. So I'm a Yelp elite. You know, I'm exclusive. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, you do kind of have to be invited to be a Yelp elite. But anyways, since the pandemic started, Yelp decided to do a lot of virtual cooking tutorials, and I decided to join this one because y'all know I love ramen. So I decided to make it, and oh my gosh, y'all, this is so delicious. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So this dish, ramdun, came from the movie Parasite. I haven't seen Parasite, that's why I didn't know that's where it came from, but a quick little Google showed me that it came from that movie. Maybe I should go watch it. Have y'all seen that? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get to it. So the first step is to prep your herbs and your veggies. Here you can see me chopping up some cilantro, a yellow onion, some scallion, and ginger. I kind of wanted to show off my knife skills. I need to hone those a bit better. I'm not the best, but I wanted to show this off. Then after I finish chopping up the herbs and the veggies, I saute them. I know this is a lot of butter to be using, but that's what the recipe calls for. Oh my gosh, I got too excited and the butter almost fell out the pan. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you add your onions, and after you add your onions, then you add your ribeye, and you saute that for a little bit. Then I add my favorite vegetable seasoning. You don't have to add this. You can skip this step because you do add extra seasoning at the end. Mix that up a little bit. Then I add the minced garlic and ginger. I love garlic. I absolutely love garlic. I feel like I've said this before in one of my videos, but I love garlic. And then now I add cilantro. I also like the way cilantro tastes, so I add quite a bit here. Look at all those beautiful colors. Mix it all up. Now I'm adding my scallion to top it off. I also love scallions. Now you add the ramen, and this is the ramen that I use. I use 3 packs of this ramen because I meal prep for the week. So that's why I use so much ramen. And try to drain the ramen, but it's okay if a little bit of water gets into the pan. It'll evaporate eventually. Now I'm adding the dried seasonings and vegetables that come in the ramen package. I use all 3 seasonings that came in each individual pack. This might be a lot for those who are trying to watch their salt intake, so just use your discretion and season it to how you like for it to taste. Mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. I also encourage y'all to use like a big skillet because it is a lot of ingredients in one pan. After mixing it and incorporating all of the seasonings, this is what the final color will look like. I let it simmer for a little bit. You see that excess water, eventually it evaporates, and this is what the final product looks when I plate it. I add extra scallions on top. Yay! That's gonna be like my signature thing at the end of all my videos. I wanted to update you guys really quickly on two things. One, I am almost at 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. And two, when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna tell you guys which name I chose for my subscribers. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what I wanted to talk about in the comments. Y'all know I like to talk to y'all in the comments. Tell me about the first time you ever tried ramen. What were the flavors like? Be very descriptive. And I am so excited to hear because I'm obsessed with ramen right now. So in the comments below, let me know what your favorite experience with ramen has been, or your first experience. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.